I've finally found a 3-part formula that forces ChatGPT to sound perfectly human, and I'm sharing it today. It covers writing style, pitfalls to avoid, and a final checklist to prevent fluff. Now stick with me and I'll show you how to use it in seconds. But first, save this video and smash that follow button. This prompt has 2 essential elements. The first part zeroes in on writing style, detailing how you organize the output for maximum punch and legibility. Part 2 covers pitfalls to avoid and ways to maintain focus in the generated text. To apply it, snap a screenshot of this prompt, pull up your phone's photos, and then copy and paste text directly into ChatGPT. Here's the last piece of the prompt equation, a checklist of things to steer clear of. This is vital for keeping the AI on track and preventing fluff from padding out the output. Pro tip, if you're using an AI tool to create SEO optimized blog posts, tack on this bonus section at the end. If that doesn't apply to your situation, just snip off that final part before pasting.